Today we are going to do a Toyota Scion IA maintenance light, and the little maintenance light is a little finicky. You got it right up down here, kind of hidden, a little wrench. And then, but we're going to come over here to this screen, and if it's not on applications, you're going to come over here on your little turn knob and click down on your little knob down here, go down to maintenance, and then tire rotation. And these cars get every 7,500. So we're gonna keep going. Typical Toyotas are around 5,000, which is fine. Click in, go to the left, down. Now this car specifically has the oil change off, but if it were on, I'll go through this. You were to click it and do the same exact thing, so 7,500. But on this one, unfortunately, we're not going to do today. So we're going to come over here, turn it back off. Set. Thank you guys. Have a good day.